4 different topics, and this is going to be our lesson 13, I think, or yeah, or 12, I'm not really sure. But first topic we're going to go over is the area of a circle. The area of a circle equation is pi r squared. And r is basically half of the diameter. It's the half point. So, and you can leave it in pi form. So let's do the first question together. So if we know that pi, and for this one, since 8 is a whole diameter, we need to cut that in half. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And 4 squared. So the answer to this one, so 4 squared, we all know 4 times 4 is 16. So the answer to this is 16 pi. Pretty simple. One more question is to number 6. So pi r squared. Now we know that the radius, or r, in this is 6 because it is only halfway. So it's pi 6 squared. And we know that 6 times 6 equals 36 pi. So that's the answer, 36 pi. Really easy. Okay, next topic is rounding decimals. Round each number to the place of the red digit. So let's do number 3. Now we know that 7 is the red digit, and we can look at the number after that. And if the number is 5 or up, then you round up. If it is 4 or down, then you round down. And in this case, the number is 5, so you round up. So the answer will be 2.048 because the 7 got rounded up 1 space. Let's do number 7. So we're going to be looking at the red number, which is 3. And the number after that, which is 8. And 8 is definitely above 5, so you would round up. So that would be 3.4. And you could just leave it at that. I think this is really simple too. Decimal addition and subtraction. So this is basically just finding the sum and difference. Let's do number 1 together. 5.6 plus 7.8 plus 1.7. This is so nice. Okay, so 6 plus 8 we know is 14. And 14 plus 7 we know is 21. So I put the 1 in this place and I put the 2 up here. Next, 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. And when you add decimals or subtract it, you bring the decimal number right down to where it was. So the decimal will be this. So the answer to number 1 will be 15.1. And it says estimate to check. So 5.6, if we round it, look at the 6. 6 is above than 5, so it'll be 6. 7.8, now we look at the 8. The 8 is greater than 5, so we could round up and then add 8. 1.7, 7 is above than 5, so round up to 2. Now 6 plus 8 is 14, and 14 plus 2 is 16. So that's around the same estimate. Let's do one more question, number 7. 4.12 minus 1.852. Now, if there's a space above, what we have to do is just add a 0 here, and just subtract. So you know that 10 minus 2 is 8, and since we borrowed, put this to a 1, and since 1 can't do 5, add another 1. 11 minus 5 is 6. Change this to a 0 because we borrowed. Put a 1 in front. Subtract by 8, which is 2. And since we borrowed from here, change it to 3, and 3 minus 1 is 2. And how many numbers are behind a decimal? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Decimal will go right here. So the answer is 2.268. And if you're going to estimate it, 4.12 rounds to 4, and 1.85 rounds to 2. So minus 2. So my estimate answer will be a 2, and the exact answer is 2.268. Last but not least, we're going to be going over algebraic expressions. It says write an expression, find a value 1 through 5, and write an expression with the variable. Explain what the variable means for number 6 to 10. So we'll do one for each. Now let's try number 2. Len had 17 shells. So Len had 17. He gave 5 shells to Joan. Now, if he had 17 and he gave 5 shells to Joan, then it would obviously be subtracting. And we all know that 17 minus 5 is 12. So that is the final answer for number 2. And let's try for number 6 to 10, number 7. Joshua bought 1 ticket to Japan. His classmates bought some more. So Joshua bought 1, and his classmates bought some more, but some more is not an exact number, so I'm going to leave that as x. So 1 plus x, because x, and now x means, let me type this one. Okay, I'm going to text this one. So x means the number of tickets his classmate bought. And this is what... Yep. Oh, I put it on the wrong place. Right here. So for this, the expression will be 1 plus x, which is write an expression and explain what the variable means. Variable x means the number of tickets his classmates bought. So I hope this helped you guys, and see you guys next week.
Bye.
Wait, what? What happened?
Did it not record?
Oh my god.
Did it not record?
Oh my god. Oh my god, I didn't record.
You're just talking to yourself.
I was just talking to myself the whole time.
So that's background noise anyway.
Bro, wait, I'm kind of mad now. Why is nothing going right for me today? Tell me to be quiet, please.
Shut.
Dude, I'm so... Can you close the door?